Hey, welcome back to another video of how to use basics. In this video, we are going to learn how to change currency in Ton Wallet. First of all, make sure that you are connected to your internet. After that, find and open TonKeeper application on your device. Make sure that you are logged into your account. Now, click on the top right corner of the settings icon. Here, you can see different options. Now, find the currency option and tap on it. Here, it is set to USD as default. You can choose any one of these options from here. Select the desired option from this currency tab. Now, go back from this screen. After that, you can see that your currency has been changed. So, that is how you can change currency in Ton Wallet. Thank you for watching this video. Please do not forget to like, share and subscribe to our channel and comment down if you have any queries.